For over 4,000 years, a vibrant golden spice has been weaving its way through history. It was sacred in ancient ceremonies, a treasure on the spice routes, and a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine. Today, it's turning lattes yellow and captivating the wellness world. This powerful ancient secret is turmeric, and we're about to uncover why this humble root is so much more than just a color. So, what exactly is turmeric? Botanically known as Curcuma longa, it's a flowering plant in the ginger family. The part we use is the rhizome, the underground stem, which you can find fresh, looking like a gnarly orange root, or dried and ground into the bright yellow powder we all know. The plant thrives in warm, humid climates. Think tropical India, Southeast Asia, and parts of the Caribbean. The magic of turmeric lies in its active compounds, primarily one called curcumin. Think of curcumin as the superstar. It's a potent antioxidant, helping to fight oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals in your body. But that's not all. Curcumin is also renowned for supporting a healthy inflammatory response, which is why it's been used for centuries to soothe muscles, support joints, which can ease joint discomfort and support recovery after exercise. Turmeric stimulates bile production, aiding the breakdown of fats and easing occasional bloating. Some studies link regular turmeric intake to healthier cholesterol levels and improved endothelial function, making it heart-friendly. Emerging research suggests curcumin may cross the blood-brain barrier and support mood and memory, so promote overall wellness. Now, how can you bring this golden goodness into your daily life? The culinary possibilities are endless. Of course, it's essential for curries, but don't stop there. Try a comforting golden milk latte. Add a teaspoon to your morning scrambles or soups, or toss it with roasted vegetables. A pro tip: always pair turmeric with a pinch of black pepper. A compound in pepper called piperine boosts the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%, making your culinary creations far more effective. As with any powerful substance, use turmeric wisely. For most, using it as a culinary spice is perfectly safe. However, in high-dose supplement form, be mindful. Turmeric can have a blood-thinning effect, so if you are on medication or have surgery scheduled, please consult your doctor. The golden rule is to listen to your body, and when in doubt, especially with supplements, seek professional guidance. From ancient history to your modern kitchen, turmeric is a true gift, a vibrant thread connecting culture, cuisine, and wellness. The next time you see that golden powder, you'll see a story of resilience, a powerhouse of benefits, and a key to a healthier, more vibrant life. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay well and spice wisely.